On top the yamayama disease wey oyibo dey call COVID-19, make citizens help government as dem talk say make people no dey give lie informate on top sample collection and testing. As one person wey never take vaccine don kpai. Edo State government na im talk this one. Edo State government don ask for collabo plus support of everybody to help corner the third wave of COVID-19 pandemic as they begin beg people to drop correct names, location and phone number on top the sample collection plus testing. Head of COVID-19 case management, Dr. Ebonyi Osagie, yarn this one to tori people as dem do daily brief of COVID for government house. Mr. Osagie yarn say COVID-19 team never fit reach 87 people because of lie informate wey people dey yarn.
The tracking system is always a very difficult thing because people make deliberate effort. We don't really understand what they stand to benefit to give wrong phone numbers, wrong addresses. So they are not reachable. Because usually to do a PCR test, they take your sample, it doesn't come out in 48 hours. By the time we see the results, whether you are positive or negative, it is based on the details that you have given to us that we can track you. If you give us the wrong details, it becomes very, very difficult to track you. And we have persons like that we cannot reach.
Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Health, Dr. Osamoyi Irowa, yarn say dem still dey give vaccine for the 18 local governments, plus say make people fall out to collect.
With us, and just to emphasize some aspects of our discussion that relates to people giving wrong identity when they are coming for tests. Please, we don't arrest people when you come and have your test done. And there's nothing to be afraid of. If anything, it is more dangerous not to give your contact. Should you have a positive result that could have been aborted early enough from being severe. So there's nothing to be scared of. It is not impossible that somebody is positive. Just to re-emphasize some points, many of the persons walking around with us are positive, but they are not sick. It's not everybody that is COVID-19 positive that is absolutely sick. So there's nothing to be scared of. It's not a lifelong disease. So don't let us create some concept of stigmatization that will make us or make others not want to accept the tests or receive the appropriate treatment when they are sick. The reason why we are losing many persons is because of such persons who hide their identity when they are positive, or those who even refuse to go get tested when they are sick, or they go to side pharmacies or chemists to treat themselves without proper diagnosis. And when you have that done regularly, the danger is like what has been emphasized by the person that sent the question in. The person will spread it to many more persons. And unfortunately, most of their very elderly ones in their neighborhood will get infected. And some of them have what we call comorbidities. They have other sicknesses that will make them go down faster than the young ones. So we appeal to everyone. If you get tested, there's nothing to be scared of. Just avail yourself of the appropriate guidance and treatment.
The ogbonge people wey dey this press briefing na Permanent Secretary, Edo State Ministry of Health, Dr. Osamoyi Irowa, Head, COVID-19 Case Management, Dr. Ebonyi Osagie, Coordinator, World Health Organization for Edo State, Mrs. Faith Ireye, Representative of African Center for Disease Control for Edo State, Dr. Pius Ononigwe, and Edo State COVID-19 Incident Manager, Dr. Andrew Obi. Dis na the ogbonge informate wey TMC News carry come give una. From Benin, Osarugwe, Monday.